this is $4,500. Now, it's a lot of things you can go do with it. You can go buy some stupid shit, you know, jewelry, shoes, clothes, I don't know, anything that's not gonna make you money. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go take this $4,500 and I'm gonna go buy some Apple products, you know, my favorite, some iPads. And I'm gonna take this $4,500 and turn it to a profit. It don't matter how much profit it is, it just matters about we can turn this $4,500 into a profit. Whether it's $500 profit, $300 profit. Because at the end of the day, if the money just sitting, you lose anyways. So let's go make this money. So I just reached the store, and I don't know why. I swear I thought he said he had 5. So now I gotta go back to the crib, grab some more money. Always remember, man, you gotta have the money, bro. Like, have the money at all times. But that's why I be trying to tell y'all, it's all about having the cash flow. So now instead of 3 B's, we about to probably make a little bit more, probably like 5, I believe, something like that. And sometimes what you could do when you have more quantity, you can tell your buyers or whoever you selling to, bro, go up like $15 because I got 10, 15 pieces, and they gonna do it because they want it. So let's run it. Gotta go back to the crib, make a little run, we out. Now, typically what I'm doing, a lot of people won't do this. I said this in previous videos that it's not about how much money we make. It is about how much money we make, but if you constantly just always think about that, you're gonna get too emotional with it, right? That's why I spend $5,000 and make $500 and I won't care. Because at the end of the day, it's how much money can we make at the end of the day. So if you got all this money, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, right? Come across little deals like somebody hit you up here, there, be like, yo, I got this, I got that. Probably your return probably gonna be like $500. Who cares? As long as you protect yourself, as long as you on your P's and Q's, everything is going to be okay. But if you just got a whole bunch of money and it's just sitting there and you're not doing anything, why not try to see how you can make it? As long as you have your risk, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, okay, it's a guarantee, like you're going to make the bread. It don't matter if you make $500, $800, $1,000 because you're going to do that today. Then you're going to do that probably the next day or the day after. And then you just got to keep it like that, bro. Sometimes you just got to make what you can make and move on. You so constantly just thinking about, oh, no, man, I don't want to make $20. I don't want to make $20. Like I said, you gotta times 20 by 100. You know what I'm saying? Times 20 by 100. Get 100 of them things and see how much that multiply by. So we about to get this bread and we about to go, you know.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I really feel this could go viral, you heard me? But I always tell you I ain't no rapper, so like, you know what I'm saying? Don't judge me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I done racked 150 bands off of flipping phones. I can't stand a woman who was fit though with some silicone. Could've racked a $250,000, but Rafi took too many L's. Niggas robbed me for the shit I earned. That's how niggas is. Mama say she proud of me like every day. Me and my daddy got the same name, but he don't fuck with me, man, fuck that shit. I just hope they free my brother, baby G. Tell him that I love him every day, that's how it's supposed to be. I done learned how not to judge a woman for the shit she did. She gon' fuck my homie for a bag, it is what it is. You can't turn no hoe into a wife, I seen the evidence. And when you talking to me, baby, call me Mr. Pendergrass. Niggas think I'm selling dope, but I don't. I make $1,000 in a day, but fucking flipping phones. Here I go, ain't nobody show me ride, feed them ropes. Taught myself how to make money legally when I was broke. Niggas think I'm selling dope.
You know what I mean? I'm just taking one day at a time, bro.
I see you back in the gym.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm on that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta be fucking reliable in this shit, bro. Because it's like I was telling the dude, I was like, sometimes you might look the people who do give you good prices. Like, for instance, you might meet a guy, like, oh, he paying the best, right? But say you come to him today, you drop him off 10, and then you come back tomorrow, yo, I got 10. Oh, hold on, wait. Nah, bro, you need to move this shit fast. That's why I be trying to tell niggas, bro. That's why I be trying to tell niggas.
That was my issue. I don't try to hold too much stuff anymore.
But yeah, I'm about to organize everything so I can go take it to the guy who's gonna buy everything. We still got some MacBooks too. A couple MacBooks we got. feel me? Got some MacBooks. Got about 12 iPads. A couple phones. So yeah, I'm gonna learn how to make some money with this stuff. How I've been doing it for the last 6 years with no job. Hit the follow button, subscribe button. Like it. Tell a friend so they could tell a friend. We ain't rich. You know what I'm saying? We just know how to make, you know, some money every day. 300, 500, 1,000. Sometimes it's 1,000, sometimes it's 2,000, sometimes it might just be 300. But enjoy the day. I'm about to go get paid, like I always say.